1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! So now it's time to decorate. Let's go! Mimi and Lele! Hi friends! Today we're going to the dollar store because we listened so well and we're going to buy something with $1. Let's go! Yay! Mommy, I don't know which one to choose. Wow!
Ooh!
That's small. Okay, friends, we are ready to go. Everything for the dollar store. Now, let's go and decorate. Okay, friends, so we came back from the dollar store and we got all of this. So let's count how many do we have. And I think we have 10. I think we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! So now it's time to decorate. Let's go! Wow! Okay, friends, so now we're gonna start decorating this whole entire house with these items. Wow, look at this car. Let's start with this one. Come on. Okay, friends, I peeled it off. Now I'm gonna stick it to my door. Oh, I hope this works. Wow! How pretty it is. Okay, friends, let's move on to my sister.